The print spooler error is a common issue encountered by Windows users when attempting to print documents. This error can occur due to corrupted files in the print queue, outdated printer drivers, or conflicts with the print spooler service itself. The spooler manages print jobs by storing them temporarily on your computer before sending them to the printer. When this service malfunctions, printing becomes impossible. Below are detailed solutions to fix the print spooler error and get your printer back to working order. Solution 1. Restarting the print spooler service. One of the simplest and most effective ways to resolve the print spooler error is by restarting the print spooler service. This process clears temporary glitches that may cause the service to malfunction. To do this, access the Services window by pressing Windows+R and typing services.msc. Locate the print spooler service, right-click on it, and select Stop to halt its operation. After waiting for about 30 seconds, right-click again and select Start to restart the service. This action refreshes the spooler and often resolves minor issues preventing the proper functioning of your printer. Solution 2. Using command prompt to reset the spooler. For a more direct approach to fixing the print spooler error, the command prompt provides an efficient solution. Open the command prompt as an administrator and execute the following commands. Net stop spooler, del/q/f/s, %system root, %system32, spool printers *.net start spooler. These commands stop the spooler service, delete all files in the printer queue, and restart the service. Solution 3. Updating printer drivers. Outdated or corrupted printer drivers are a frequent cause of spooler errors. Drivers serve as the communication bridge between your printer and operating system. Visit the manufacturer's official website and download the latest drivers for your specific printer model. Install the updated drivers and restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect. Updating drivers not only fixes spooler errors, but also improves printer performance and compatibility with Windows. Solution 4. Reinstalling printer software. If other solutions do not resolve the issue, reinstalling the printer software might be necessary. Go to Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices, then Printers and Scanners, and remove your printer by selecting it and clicking Remove Device. Once the printer is uninstalled, reinstall it using the setup CD provided by the manufacturer or by downloading the installation package from their website. Reinstallation ensures a fresh setup with all necessary files and eliminates any corrupted configurations that may have caused the spooler error. If the problem persists after trying these solutions, checking for Windows updates or consulting with a technician may be necessary. With the methods outlined above, you should be well equipped to tackle this error effectively.